Because most people are seeking some form of a solution to their problem, but the person listening oftentimes can't, have that solution for you, but you can ask certain questions to help guide the person to want to take actionable steps. So one of the things that they had taught us to do during this program was, we would ask end questions like, are you prepared to do X, Y, and Z? Or are you prepared to maybe, tackle this problem you're dealing with? And what would that look like? And so people can break down and kind of solve their own problems through this basic conversation method. And it's not difficult, but you have to be able to listen and then empower people to solve some of their own problems. And so this methodology really helps as a leader, because it helps. You can do this with residents, you can do this with staff. It can work on students. I mean, it can really help any facet of an industry, to be honest.
So let's go over the steps again. So I is for
Intro. So, hey, how you doing?
Okay.
D, a discovery question. So here's a basic process that we follow when we're doing the idea methodology. We generally pair people up for 5 minutes. One's the listener and one is the talker. And then they'll switch roles after 5 minutes. So we ask people to say, hey, how you doing? What's your favorite book, movie, or restaurant? So that's your D, that's your discovery question. Then people will segue into the explanation, and you would be amazed in 5 minute time what comes out of a conversation. And oftentimes, if you're really pretty savvy, you can even get to the accountability factor from where this conversation goes. So maybe someone chooses movie. Hey, what's your favorite movie? And then they go more in depth about why. And maybe them walking away from the conversation with, I'm going to start seeing more movies more often because this makes me feel, more at peace with myself day to day. And I can, unwind from my work week. So